Welcome back, everyone. It's the final day of January. We're closing the book on basically what has been a pretty miserable month in terms of the weather. Lots of clouds and lots of precipitation as well. But you know what? Yeah, we'll be dealing with some more clouds today, but we turn the calendar over into February tomorrow and things start to brighten up. Thankfully, we start to introduce more sunshine into the area, and that sunshine will help warm things up over the next 6 to 10 days. Climate Prediction Center saying, yeah, pretty strong confidence in above average temperatures for us in the tri-state. And you have to remember here, the darker the color indicates the degree of confidence. So the darker the color, the higher the confidence, not the warmer the temperatures. So you can see here, pretty strong confidence that we will see above average temperatures as we get into the first half of February. And that's good. For the most part, we're looking at dry conditions over the next couple of days. The lone exception being Sunday, as the system could pass to our south and throw a couple of showers our way, but plenty of time to work out the details on that. Also this morning, we can't rule out just a little bit of patchy mist or drizzle for your morning commute. More of an annoyance than anything else. You got to use your windshield wipers once or twice. But by this afternoon, wouldn't be surprised to see quite a few peaks of sunshine. As this area of high pressure continues to move toward the area, you're going to want to see two things here. One, it starts to erode that cloud deck on the back side of it. There's that warmer air. That'll take a couple of days to get here, but it will. As that high settles in, notice all of the clear skies that we'll be experiencing here, clear or mostly clear skies. Later today and into tomorrow especially, certainly good news if you are a fan of the sunshine. In the short term, though, we will deal with plenty of clouds this morning. By this afternoon, we could see some peaks of sunshine, and really not looking at a bad night tonight with partly cloudy to mostly clear skies. There's a look at the weather for your neighborhood across the tri-state today. Really nothing to worry about. Temperature still a degree or two shy of where we should be for this time of the year, but really not too bad. And then lows tonight right around average under partly cloudy to mostly clear skies. There's a look at the extended forecast. We'll see what Punxsutawney Phil says, or Buckeye Chuck, depending on who you prefer to view, on Groundhog Day on Friday. The weekend looks great. 60s for Saturday. Most of Sunday should be dry. Maybe a couple of evening sprinkles sneak in the closer you get to the Tennessee and Kentucky line.